How to redeem a code or coupon in the Trade Wheel application. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you want to redeem a code or coupon with the Trade Wheel app, then the process is quite easy, so follow along. First things first, launch open the Trade W application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the home page, make sure that you're logged into the account as well. Once you're in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on My Account. Inside My Accounts tab, go ahead and tap on Coupon under Withdraw. And then in the Enter Redemption Code to Get text box, go ahead and enter your redemption code. Carefully type down or paste your coupon code, and after you do that, click on Exchange right next to the box. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation message. Your rewards should now be applied to your account. That's how you can easily redeem a code or coupon in Trade Wheel application. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.